In his statement to the press at Speak Resort Hotel Munyonyo, Vicent Waiswa Bagiire, the Permanent Secretary for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, emphasized that Uganda remains a non-aligned state in the conflict between Palestine and Israel. Nevertheless, he expressed the country's intention to leverage this situation to promote harmony and solidarity among all member states.
Uganda is non-aligned, and it would be premature to discuss Uganda's position because, as I have said, the session has just started and we are negotiating an outcome document. All those issues are outlined. The team is in there discussing the issues and we shall come up with our position. Our key focus area are first and foremost harmonizing and reinforcing collaboration within the movement. As you know, this movement started in 1961. So Uganda will focus on creating cohesion within the movement to ensure that we can work together as a movement for the good of humanity.
Bagiire says that the government also intends to front the NAM summit as a ground for advocating for an end of the war between Israel and Palestine. He, however, says the move is to be decided by the member states, who will make an appropriate decision.
When you chair a meeting, you have to bear in mind that you're a chair and not you're an umpire or referee. So we shall be listening to the views of the members, and NAM has a working method that prescribes that everything we do must be by consensus. So we expect that if there is consensus that we focus on a certain matter, then so it be. If there is no consensus, then we can't focus on that matter. But so far, we have not subjected the matter of Palestine and Gaza to whether it should be the major topic that we discuss. So we have not subjected it to the aspect of consensus. Once we do, we shall inform members of the public.
Riyad Mansour, the Palestinian ambassador to the UN and also permanent observer of Palestine to the United Nations, urged the NAM member states to join the Arab caucus that has already committed to ensure solidarity in ending what he calls Israel aggression against the Palestinians.
NAM was established for justice. NAM was established for solidarity and unity with all of its components. One of the members of NAM is the state of Palestine, is suffering from this aggression. We expect NAM, as it has been, to support us completely until we put an end to this aggression and to accomplish the rights of the Palestinians.
The 19th Non-Aligned Movement Summit kicked off today at Speak Resort Munyonyo, and this was graced by 350 delegates from 90 countries out of 120 member states. According to Bagiire, ministers and presidents are expected to be in the country in a few days to come, and hence called for more collaboration from the general public.
We have 93 countries that are represented out of 120 member states. On average, you have 3 delegates per delegation. So, but I know for a fact that we have received around 350 delegates that have arrived this morning. But as you know, we shall be receiving ministers in a few days' time, and then we shall be receiving heads of state in a few days' time.
The non-aligned movement NAM was founded in 1961 with a view of advancing the interests of developing countries in the context of the Cold War confrontation, and Uganda will chair the coalition for 2 years from January 2024 to 2026.